The question Aging Japan deals with interpretation of data and making valid inferences from the data. While one of the graphs used in the question may not be familiar to students, this representation is commonly used in real life when speaking about trends in population, economy, etc. The first part of the question requires an understanding of quantities expressed in percentages. What information do you need to extract from this line to answer the question? Formulate the problem, regroup the categories as required to complete the pie chart. Use subtraction of percentages to calculate the missing values. To validate the claims made in the second part of the question, it is necessary to study the graph and interpret it correctly. The graph may be likened to a stacked bar graph. In addition to showing the total population each year, it also indicates the number of people in each of the three categories implicitly. Comparing the heights of the sections representing the population below 14 years and above 65 years helps validate the claim about the population in 1960. Which is more probable? The second claim calls for a comparison of the population aged 65 or above between 2020 and 2060. Can it be inferred that it is more likely to find a person aged 65 or above in 2060 than in 2020 by comparing the two heights? Does the total population in 2020 and 2060 have an influence on this?